7 cars that could break the bank. Ever feel like that shiny used car you just bought is giving you the side eye every time you walk past it? Yeah, us too. Because let's face it, some affordable cars can turn into wallet-sucking monsters faster than you can say road trip. That's where Car-Computer Exchange swoops in to save the day. Today we're ditching the mechanic drama and taking a joyride through the world of cheap, fun, and reliable rides. Buckle up, gearheads, because we're about to expose the 7 cars that might seem like a steal, but could secretly be plotting your financial downfall. What's shaking, car fam? Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange, your one-stop shop for all things under the hood, and sometimes the hood drama. We all know the struggle of finding a car that doesn't require a second mortgage, but still lets you cruise in style. Well, fret no more. This video is your cheat sheet to avoiding those money-bleeding car choices. So, grab your snacks, settle in, and get ready to dodge those automotive money pits. Chrysler Sebring, 2007 to 2010. The used car blues. Let's face it, the Sebring has a certain, well, let's say, magnetic personality. It's comfortable, it's spacious, and it looks decent cruising down the street. But here's the thing. Seductive cars can be trouble, and the Sebring is notorious for transmission problems. Imagine that smooth ride turning into a symphony of shudders, jerks, and grinding noises. Not exactly the soundtrack to a road trip, right? These repairs can leave a crater in your wallet, so unless you're a glutton for punishment, or have a mechanic on speed dial, avoid the Sebring temptation. Now, if you find a meticulously maintained Sebring with a clean service history, that might be a different story. But remember, a pre-purchase inspection by a trusted mechanic is your best friend here. Dodge Avenger, 2007 to 2014, Sebring's shady twin. The Avenger might seem like a more modern take on the Sebring, but don't be fooled. Sharing many components with its older sibling, the Avenger inherits the same troublesome transmission issues. It's like a bad habit that runs in the family. While the affordability might be tempting, the potential repair bills can quickly turn that used car dream into a used car nightmare. Our advice? Look beyond the Avenger and explore options from brands known for reliability. Your wallet and sanity will thank you. BMW iX5, early 2000s, the luxury mirage. Ah, the X5, the epitome of German engineering, sleek lines, and undeniable road presence. But here's the reality check. Luxury badges come with a luxury price tag, not just for the initial purchase, but also for maintenance. Those fancy parts and intricate engineering translate to expensive repairs, even for routine stuff. So, while the X5 might be a head-turner, owning one can turn your head towards your bank account in horror. If your heart is set on an X5, consider a newer model. The reliability improves significantly, but be prepared to factor in a budget for potential repairs. All right, gearheads, halfway through this wild ride of wallet woes, let's take a quick pit stop. So far, have any of these affordable allures gotten you sweating more than a car stuck in rush hour traffic? Hit that thumbs up if you've dodged a used car bullet, or leave a comment below with any automotive nightmares you've encountered. We'll be back after the break to unveil more cars that might have you saying adios to your savings. Land Rover Discovery, various years. The off-roader that can rob your wallet, the Land Rover Discovery, a beast of a machine conquering mountains and dominating any terrain you throw at it. Sounds pretty epic, right? Well, that epicness comes at a cost. Land Rovers are notorious for their complex engineering, which translates to, you guessed it? Expensive repairs. Even routine maintenance can leave your wallet feeling lighter than a feather. Don't get us wrong, if you have the budget for repairs and truly need an off-road champion, the Discovery is a force to be reckoned with. But for the average driver on a budget, there are plenty of more affordable SUVs with impressive off-road capabilities that won't require a second mortgage to maintain. Nissan Murano, early 2000s. The CVT conundrum. The early 2000s Murano, sleek, stylish, and seemingly like a good deal. But here's the catch. Many early models were saddled with continuously variable transmissions, CVTs, that had a nasty habit of failing prematurely. Imagine cruising down the highway, feeling like a boss, Then suddenly your Murano decides to play grindcore with your gears. Not exactly the smooth ride you were hoping for, right? Thankfully, Nissan addressed these issues in later models. So if you have your heart set on a Murano, opt for a newer version with a proven transmission. Your future self and your wallet will thank you. Ford Focus, 2012 to 2018, the power shift predicament. The Ford Focus, a popular choice for its fuel efficiency and peppy performance. But some models from 2012 to 2018 were equipped with the infamous power shift transmission. Let's just say this transmission had a bit of an identity crisis. It couldn't decide if it wanted to be smooth or jerky, leading to hesitation, shuddering, and ultimately expensive repairs or replacements. The moral of the story? If you're considering a Focus, make sure it has a traditional automatic transmission. Your driving experience and your sanity will be much smoother. Kia Optima, early 2010, S. A diamond in the rough, maybe. The Kia Optima has come a long way in recent years, but the early 2010 S models had some engine issues that could lead to costly repairs or even replacements. Let's face it, that's not exactly the peace of mind you want when you're out cruising. However, there's a silver lining. Newer Kia Optimas are generally considered reliable, offering a good value for your money. If you're considering an early 2010 S Optima, a pre-purchase inspection by a trusted mechanic is absolutely crucial. They can help you identify any potential engine problems and avoid a future headache and a lighter wallet. All right, gearheads. We've reached the end of this wild ride through the land of affordable pitfalls. Hopefully, you've dodged a few automotive bullets and learned a thing or two about avoiding cars that might leave you singing the blues at the repair shop. Remember, a little research goes a long way. Before you fall in love with those mesmerizing headlights or that plush interior, do your homework. Check reliability ratings, get a pre-purchase inspection, and most importantly, don't let a steal turn into a financial meltdown. Want more car wisdom and hilarious car-related content? Then buckle up and subscribe to the Car Computer Exchange channel. We'll be your pit crew, helping you navigate the world of used cars with confidence, and maybe a few laughs along the way. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep the automotive adventures rolling.